Hey, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best. I'm here with DIY Aidan. And introduce yourself.
Andy Bachman from Louisiana Hot Sauce.
So if anybody knows me, Louisiana Hot Sauce is like my number one thing. Cause like the best thing I love to eat is hard shell chicken tacos or bison, the way my wife makes them, and we put Louisiana Hot Sauce on it. And so it's like I grew up that way, eating that, and it's amazing that you guys are here. I came to the National Hardware Show just to get hot sauce.
To get hot sauce, exactly.
First time really?
First time we've ever done it.
Wow. So you're going to try to sell hot sauce through the hardware stores or what?
Anybody.
Anybody.
Yeah. They sell food, so we're trying to.
Hardware stores are selling water. And
oh, that makes sense. The grilling companies. Okay.
That's the tie-in with us.
Okay. So what's your pitch here today?
Well, the pitch is that if you're going to eat and you're going to grill, you might as well have Louisiana Hot Sauce in your store.
Yeah.
It's a national brand. We sell it in all channels. The one we haven't has been hardware, which is why we're at this show.
Yep. And it's got a great price. This is never over $3.
Yeah.
So, especially with the economy right now, it's a great product.
Been around for 80 years.
Man, you guys are making me hungry.
It's pretty much, if I can remember the formula, it's like cayenne pepper, vinegar, and salt, right?
That's it. Yeah, three ingredients.
Water. Very simple. And water, obviously. Yeah.
Yep. We're moving into the hardware scene. We're trying to get into the natural world as well.
Cool.
So, we just thought it would be a good idea to try this show and see if we could open up the door to some new customers.
Good deal. Well, thank you very much for the free bottle of hot sauce.
Absolutely. Joel carries it. Safeway, Vons, they carry it. Walmart also has it. So
you said the same as Red Rooster.
Red Rooster, another brand that you might see.
But it's exactly the same hot sauce inside.
I like the store to leave the there.
Because Red Rooster is also at Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles.
Yes. So that's probably where they're buying it. Probably
they use it wherever they're buying it from. Yeah. But so I for sure. So, all right, guys, thank you.
Thank you.